schedule content, such as videos, audio, and files, to share with your teams. Content can be anything you want to share: training, curriculum, documents. The possibilities are endless. Modules are individual components of content that can be shared. You can mix and match and put modules together as components like building blocks to create flexible content that will be shared together. Let's create a new module. We can upload a file, such as a video, document, or graphic, create a text banner that can serve as a title, copy any embed code from a website, share a web link or web page, or share a YouTube or Vimeo video. We will upload an audio file as a new module. We can adjust the title as necessary and optionally add a description and tags. If we want this module to have child components, we can select one or more modules from the list. Optionally add any attachments that you want to associate with the module. Now let's create the module. We want to add this module as a component of our volunteer training module before scheduling the volunteer training for our teams. Add the new module as a component. Let's make it the second module in the list. Now that our module is ready, let's share it with our teams. Select the dates the training should be available. Under the settings, you can select if you want your team members to indicate they have completed the content or even take an assessment. We can also enable a group chat around the content to encourage discussion on the content. Select one or more teams or users to share the content with. Now let's create the schedule. At the module level, you can track who has completed the content and monitor progress. You can filter the results to narrow the view as desired. All schedules are visible from the Schedules page. From here you can create new schedules and view the individual schedule. Let's take a closer look at some training content that is currently available. You can adjust the dates of the overall schedule as well as the dates of the individual components if you would like them to be available at different times. If you would like to exclude a component from this particular schedule, you can mark the component as inactive. If the schedule has a required action, you can view the progress of each user and what percentage of the content has been completed. If this was an assessment, you can view the user's results by clicking on their score. For assessments, you can see the stats, such as the average score and a breakdown of how users are answering the questions.